This is a video showing the onboard software on the Trimble tablet that controls the TX7, which was done on a scan on a road that looks like that. So totally featureless, no targets, nothing at all, just the X7 on a BZA road. Because we're able to actually do a full complete registration with all the data in the tablet. This is just the shortened version of the registration report, which you can get in the tablet. From there, you'll get the registered point cloud into RealWorks. And one of the things that we like to do to clear vehicles and objects, in this case, we only have vehicles, we're going to do an outdoor classification, which is a feature which is included in RealWorks. So the feature takes a couple of minutes, and what I've asked it to do was basically to isolate the points on the ground to everything else. So in a way that if now we are merely focusing on everything else, all of that noise in the road, I can now quickly and easily delete it. And when I say delete it, again, isolate it. Nothing ever gets deleted in RealWorks. But easily just do a polygon around the area, which I do not want to keep for my export. And you can see how quickly and seamless this is. Here we have an option. Do I want to keep the points inside or outside? Well, in this case, I want to keep the points outside of that area, and those will remain in the previous point cloud dataset. And I'm left with a point cloud, which I'm going to rename as cleaned. And if I now combine that with the ground dataset, I can now see that I got rid of all of my vehicles. No targets were used, completely done in the fieldless registration. I'm only using the Office software to clean it. And I'm going to create a folder, drag and drop the point clouds that I want to export. And from here, I can just choose a format export. E57 will be the most common one.